Conscious sexuality is a method that I've created and developed in the last few years. It helps men and women become more aware and connected to their sensations in the body, their emotions, and become also connected to the spiritual layers.
Conscious sexuality for me is to be present with myself, to be connected within. Through this consciousness, to be connected to my lover.
If I'm present totally in my body when I make love, and I'm connected to my heart, and I know the silence that there is in me, I'm totally there. I see my partner, I feel his feelings, I express my emotions, and I can feel the higher pleasure possible. In my seminars, I create a safe space. In this space, we can feel that we can share our deeper feelings and fears about sexuality and eroticism. And when we overcome this embarrassment, then we can feel an opening of the heart.
When I think of a sexual woman, I see free woman dancing, laughing, full of fire in her eyes.
Sexual woman feels comfortable in herself, comfortable to bring herself. She's very intimate with others and it feels natural.
What is most unique about a sexual man is that he's bigger than his sexual impulse. It's like he's caring for me before he's making love with me. He sees me, he's a friend for me, and then he pleasures me. A conscious sexuality intercourse can look like a dance of two people, the dance of the minds, the hearts, and the souls. In this dance, the most beautiful thing is that we are really honest and authentic, and we are really there. When we are intimate with one another, it's not only the joy and playfulness that are expressed, it's also the pain and the fear, and the feeling that it's not so easy to be so intimate and so close to another person. Relationship can be a great opportunity to heal our heart and to heal our body through seeing ourselves there, through practicing intimacy with ourselves, meaning knowing ourselves and sharing ourselves, and through the communication and loving with another person.
To see her commitment to bring relief and helping people in a place filled with so much pain is a blessing.
For me, it's her great, enormous heart and presence.
Sexuality can be a great experience of joy, excitement, and playfulness. And when we integrate it with the love and compassion of the heart, we have it all.